Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include chrome package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, CD changer, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.